guys, Mr-Goody here, and what I'm going to do today, somebody was asking me how the PowerStroke 2200 pressure washer handles concrete, how well it cleans it. If you look right here, this is where I just started a strip on the ground, and you can see this dirt and grime right here beside of it. So this is the before. I want you to look at this, and I'm going to clean up until this part right here, and then I'm going to let you guys judge how well it cleans. And also right here you'll see the PowerStroke 2200 PSI. That's this baby right here. We're getting ready to, I got it gassed up, getting ready to hook up the water hose to it. And right here it has three different nozzles that come with it. And you can see if you're going to do soap and short range, you know, you want to do the blue nozzle. If you want high pressure, you know, you want to do the middle white nozzle. If you're going to do more concrete, you want to do the green nozzle, which that's what I'm going to do. If you take over this, see right here in the front, you just pull this down and you pull out the nozzle. See, it had the white nozzle on there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but if it's right there, then I'm going to pull out the green nozzle, which has the most pressure for the concrete, and then it's in right there. If you see those three blocks right in the middle there, those are the three blocks of concrete that the pressure washer cleaned. So that's what it looks like compared to right beside of it. I cleaned over here too, and I cleaned these, and I cleaned that one. Right here you can see kind of where it starts. I didn't clean that or that, and I didn't clean this or around through there. Just clean those. So that's a before and after comparison. Okay guys, what I'm doing now is, I really didn't aim out to do this, but I'm showing you what the sides of the building looks like. If you can see the right side of the building in the boards, see all this and that all down through there, and down at the bottom you can see over here hasn't been done. This board hasn't been done. But if you can see, and I'll even show you up close, the difference in the wood. This wood here has been done, pressure washed just now. Right here, this was all kind of had mold and everything on it. So you can kind of see exactly side by side comparison there. And I wanted to show you how this does wood, and I already showed you how it done vinyl, And then I just got done showing you how it does concrete, but there is the wood before, and then there is the wood after. That's a pretty good close-up there, guys. And I'm going to zoom out and show you from a distance that it has all that grime and mold off of there. Anyways, if you guys have any more questions, just let me know, and I will pressure wash something else for you guys. Okay guys, you can see this sidewalk. This is the before picture. Then I'm going to show you an after picture. Okay. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to start the pressure washer and do the front sidewalk. Wish I could have edged the walkway here, but if you can see, it's not completely dry yet, but this is what it looks like now, which is much cleaner than it was. Okay, now from the porch, still not dry, but I'm going to show you guys as I'm backing up what it looks like. Much cleaner. And that's what that looks like, guys.